How to set up the Macard N300 Wi-Fi extender. First, plug the extender into a wall outlet near your existing Wi-Fi router. Flip the on switch upward to turn it on. Keep it close to the router during setup. You'll move it farther away later. Second, reset or activate the extender. With the extender powered on, press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. Release it and wait roughly 30 seconds for the N300 to reboot. Third, reconnect your phone to Wi-Fi extender. On your phone, open Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Look through the available networks for Wi-Fi extender. Tap it to connect. The Macard instructions also recommend disabling mobile data during setup so your phone stays connected to the extender. Fourth, open the Macard setup page. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi extender, open Chrome, Safari, Edge, or another browser. Then enter this IP address. Then press login, and the extender should begin scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Then fifth, select your home Wi-Fi network. Wait approximately 10 seconds while the Macard scans for nearby networks. When the list appears, tap the name of your existing home Wi-Fi network. For example, if your normal network is called Home, select Home. Sixth, move the extender to a better location. After the setup is complete, plug the Macard N300 and move it approximately halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi. Don't put it directly inside the dead zone. The N300 still needs a decent signal from the main router to repeat. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.